It's finally arrived from YouTube, the silver play button. Thank you for making this channel what it is and giving me the opportunity to unbox this for you now. But I'm not just going to do an unboxing video. I'm also going to ask you a question at the end and do a throwback to where it all started for me, Adobe Audition 3.0. The very first tutorial on my channel was an Adobe Audition 3.0 tutorial. So watch to the end for something a little bit fun. Big thank you to my mum and dad, to my wonderful wife who supports me in everything I do, Isabella. I love you very much. And all of my mentors, many to list, so maybe I'll put them in a Facebook post after I publish this video. But come on, let's get on with it. Let's grab the knife and do the unboxing, the official unboxing of the YouTube 100,000 silver play button. Okay, oh, I need to do it around that side as well, and that side, and there's a little flap that comes out there. Gosh, this is really well packed. Let's see if we can get into it somehow. Yes, it's opening. Yes, fantastic. Ooh, check it out. That looks nice. Okay, so let's remove this foam cover, and here we go. Fantastic. There's a little card there that says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional." This was packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you very much, Rick. Really appreciate that. And then in there, you'll see there is a letter. There's a letter from YouTube, which is wonderful. Thank you to Susan, the CEO of YouTube, for sending me a personal letter there. That's very nice indeed. And there it is with, thank goodness, my name spelt correctly. Presented to Mike Russell for passing 100,000 subscribers. Let me do the quick pose for the camera that you're supposed to do when you get one of these awards. Or maybe. Here I am inside Adobe Audition 3.0. A bit of a throwback, isn't it? This is where it all got started for me. Now, it has got one feature I do sorely miss in CC. But I'm going to have some fun with a photo I just snapped. File, import, bitmap, and I can import the BMP file of my silver play button. I'm going to leave all the settings as default, click OK. I want it to be a mono file, yeah, 32-bit float, nice and high quality. It's going to render it out, zip, and then I'll get an audio version of what I look like. Very, very strange indeed. There was the waveform, and here I am, immortalized as an audio file, silverplaybutton.wav. I can save that, send it to all my friends. It'll give them a great laugh. Even play it back and see what I sound like. Let's have a look. Wow, that's weird. That's super freaky, really. Super crazy. But there I am in the spectral frequency display of Adobe Audition 3.0, screeching like a high-pitched bird, but nonetheless, very, very exciting. Adobe Audition 3.0 with the import bitmap function. So here's my question to you. What feature do you remember from Adobe Audition 3.0 or previous versions that you miss in Adobe Audition CC? Leave a comment on this video and let me know what you miss and you'd like to see in the latest version of Adobe Audition CC. Thanks for watching.